Hello guys, this is Zara Ahmad, and I would like to introduce my backyard. This tree has been here since I was very little. And here's his twin. It's my guiding light right here, Miss Tigress. Tigress. I don't know if you can see her, but my other baby right there, Miss Princess, her bad self. Yes, this is my backyard, and I don't know if you can hear it, but you can hear the sighting sounds. Very comforting at nighttime. Yeah. This was just a video to show you my, well, nature I have. So, next video would probably be something about my altar, in my book of shadows. Not sure. So, we'll just see. Okay, bye.